them on at
So
night.
you can do it at night? So you can
LED.
mow at night?
Yeah. LED light is bright.
It is?
Yes, sir. I got one though. Come on. I got one. And
it has headlights.
yeah,
Wow.
you can get they sell double blades.
Unboxing. What do you mean you don't need?
This, I thought I was going to need the box cutter, but
Okay, here's the Lowe's. They delivered
oh, here's the charger.
How long it lasts the battery when you mow? Do you know?
I think they said 45 minutes.
That's the battery.
Yeah, now you're gonna. There's. Oh, this is the battery. Yeah, this is.
Yeah, that's the battery.
Or no, this is the charger, huh? This isn't the battery. This is the charger.
Yeah, that's what I said.
And I guess this is the scoop.
Okay. That's a big box.
This is the battery. Pretty sure it is.
But you have to charge out still.
I think I'm gonna have to charge it. I'll have to read the instructions. Thought that would lift up.
Oh yeah. I thought that's the charge. Oh, yeah.
This is the battery itself. Wow, that's a big battery, huh?
Yeah. Okay. Bye, Lowe's.
That's connected to the handle, I think. If I can find a place to hold on to it.
And here is there's the Lowe's. What's that for?
I'm bagging it. That's where the battery goes.
That's why it's expensive. Okay guys, so here's the lawnmower.
Yeah.
This is expensive guys. This is ridiculous. Because we're not supposed to mow in this yard, but they want us to mow it.
Yeah, they changed it on us.
Yeah, it's not even part of the agreement. And now they don't wanna, you know. You're not gonna let someone to borrow that.
Huh?
You don't wanna let someone to borrow that. That's expensive. You know, other person is just gonna get free. There's no free nowadays.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be using this.
No. What is, you can flip it.
See how this even fits.
Look like a toy, you know. Look like a toy that the kids that has to push it.
Maybe I should read the instructions, huh?
Yeah, I think I'm done here, okay?
Okay.
Because I'm gonna cook. So that's everything. Okay, guys, so this is all the...
Yeah, here it is. Instructions.
Yeah. This is all the parts of the lawnmower. Okay. So this is kind of expensive. Okay.
Well, you got you a big, strong box, huh?
Okay, I think I'm gonna put the in the second floor, hon.
Might be useful someday.
Yeah. You have to put the upstairs. Okay.
We can use this instead. This is what I'm used to.
Okay. You have to put the box upstairs, huh? Because when we move, so when we move, we can put stuff in there. I'm gonna go inside, Han, okay?
Okay.
There you go. It's quiet. Not very loud, Han.
Just thought I'd catch my breath before I go out.
Okay, can you tell me about that new mower?
Well, I've never had an electric before, but
What do you think? Is it
it has
nice?
the power of the gas mower we had.
You paste here.
Like I said, it has the power. I don't know how long charge is going to last.
You said 45 minutes.
We just mowed that, but I did it at the highest setting at 6. And I was able to get through it. Our yard was really tall. I'm going to drop it down to 3 and mow it again.
Okay.
It seems to be cutting it up pretty good. So I shouldn't have to pick it up. It should be mulch. It seems like it's mulching it. And if there's any extra, put it in that hole. Help fill that hole.
Okay.